Hi everyone. So I have not done a cooking segment in a long time. This is actually for my YouTube channel, but I'm going live on Facebook and then I'll save it on YouTube. So we're making spaghetti and I have the water here boiling. I put 1 tablespoon of oil in the water. And now I'm going to add the spaghetti noodles. This is a 2-pound box. Some people break them, but I like to leave them long. I'm using the full 2 pounds so that we can hopefully have some for my son's lunch tomorrow. And I fast every Wednesday with the EWE women until 3 o'clock. So when we get out the fast, I am hungry. So it'll be nice to have some homemade spaghetti waiting for me when I'm done. So I have my meatballs. They're nice and brown, fully cooked. And I'm just gonna, I cut up some onion in it, just cut up a little bit more. Hi, Miss Daphne, how are you? Haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing good. I think you're my first viewer, but sometimes I can't see the viewers until it's over. Okay, so meatballs are done. Put a lot of onions in there, they're done. And now I'm gonna do my sauce. So I have 2 jars of Prego. Gonna pour that in. Now here's my other jar. So just toss these. Teresa, hello my old neighbor, how are you? Look, I'm cooking. Just making spaghetti, nice and simple and easy. How's everything in South Carolina? So I am making this for my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to me, please click subscribe. Paula Williams. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. So far we have our meatballs, spaghetti noodles, 2 jars of Prego. Now we'll add some other little touches of seasoning. I don't even know what we have, but I should have had this out already. Okay. This is what we're gonna use. I'm not a big pepper person. Hi, Tim. So I'm gonna put a little, just a little bit of pepper, not much. After that, I'm gonna put a little bit of adobe seasoning. Again, just a little bit for flavor. After that, we'll throw in some oregano leaves. And one of my favorite seasonings, Lowry's. Okay, that's it. Could throw these away now. And we're just gonna blend that all in together with the meatballs. So we got our sauce. So I'm just gonna let that simmer. And I'm gonna rinse the spoon and then stir the noodles. So we're gonna stir the noodles. They're still cooking. They're kind of hard still, but they're getting softer. All right. So I'm gonna let that cook. Let the meatballs cook. And once the noodles are done, then the sauce will be done. And that's my quick and easy way of making spaghetti and meatballs. Again, these are the seasonings: oregano, Lowry's, and I actually use this adobe, not this one. All right, I think that's it. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, Tim. I know I love Prego. Some people love Ragu, but I love, 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 love Prego. I have it on a mount, so I'm not like actually in the shop, but that's okay. So anyway, thank you for watching. Noodles are still cooking. Sauce looks almost ready. However, it smells really good, really, really good. And with Trinity in college, there's just 3 of us here to eat. So this is plenty. Just let you see the sauce. There we go. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Oh, who's giving me hearts? I can't see. I don't know who that is, but thank you, because I am a heart giver, so it's good to receive some hearts. Thank you. Oh, that's my husband. Thank you, Rich. The food is cooking. I'm using my new frying pan that I just got from Macy's that I love, with the wooden handle. And hopefully I have some Parmesan cheese. Let me check. Possibly. Possibly not. Rich, don't look. He doesn't like garlic. But I'm going to put just a little bit of garlic in it. Just for the flavor. I smell it already. Delicious. All right. So now we have garlic in the mix. I'm looking for the Parmesan cheese. Hopefully there's some in here somewhere. Yes! Found it. So we also have Parmesan cheese that we will sprinkle on top. And here's my secret ingredient. You guys, I'm gonna let you in on my secret ingredient, okay? This is my secret ingredient for my sauce. Where is it? Oh, here we go. My secret ingredient is to add just a pinch of sugar into the sauce. Seriously, not a lot, just a little. There we go. Little bit of sugar. That just makes it sweet. So now let's stir that in. Meatballs are soft. We got our sauteed onions, added some garlic, Parmesan cheese, oregano, adobo, Lawry's, a little bit of pepper, added a sprinkle of sugar. Now, the noodles, whoa, are getting softer. So I was saying about another 5 minutes or so, they'll be done. Rich, stop. You're still gonna eat it. Only put a little bit of garlic. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Again, I will upload this video onto my YouTube channel, which is Paula Williams. So if you're not subscribing to me, click subscribe on YouTube. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed evening. Bye.